Hi, my name's Steve. I work with the Museum of Life and Science, and today we're bringing you a bite-sized activity we call Make Your Own Compass. And so the way compasses work is they interact with the Earth's magnetic field. And so today we're going to use a sewing needle to be the needle of our compass. And so we're going to need a couple materials beyond this, so I'll go through those real quick. We're going to need this sewing needle. We're going to need a container of water. I'm using a beaker here, but you could just use a tall glass or a bowl. Or you may want to do this somewhere where you can get wet. Maybe a sink or outside would be a good choice. You're going to need a kitchen magnet like this. And I used a pair of scissors to cut aluminum foil. And so I'll show you why I do that. I'm going to use this to make this little tool. And this tool is going to allow me to put the needle on top of the water. We're going to use that surface tension to suspend our needle. And so I made this tool just by taking my rectangle and rolling it up like this. And so once I had it rolled, I could twist it and make a U shape and make those little feet. And I made mine really nice and twisted and rolled, and that takes a little bit of time, so practice yours, make it nice. Once you have that, you can put your needle on top like this, and it'll stay there. But before we put it in the water, we need to magnetize it. And so I'm using my kitchen magnet to magnetize the needle. I just run it across like that. I put my magnet away, and then I'm gonna grab my tool, put my needle on there, and then I'm gonna gently try, and this takes a little bit of patience, a little bit of practice, but I'm gonna try and get my needle to stay on top of the water as I gently place it on the surface with my tool. And I'm just looking, if I see the needle start to go below the surface of the water, I just pull it back up and try again. And like I said, this takes a little bit of patience, a little bit of practice. But eventually, you'll get your needle to sit on top of that surface tension, kind of the way a water strider or other animals that can stand on top of the water might do. And so one of the things you'll notice right now is as soon as I got it in there, it kind of rotated around, and you'll see it's in line with this compass that I have next to the beaker. And that's because both the compass needle and now my sewing needle are in line with the Earth's magnetic field. And so if I push it out of alignment, it always goes back like that. And so I can gently push it, and you can play with that. How much can you push it before it kind of sinks? But every time I do that, it always comes back into that alignment with my compass. And so if you have a compass at home, you can play with a compass too, but what you're doing right now is making your very own compass, and it's interacting with the Earth's magnetic field. And so that's how you make a compass at home. I hope you enjoyed doing that, playing with surface tension, playing with magnetism, and playing with maybe even navigation. You can use this to determine where north is. I hope you enjoyed playing with that at home. We'll see you in the next one.